Welcome back, viewers. I replaced all my drinks with water and this happened. The sweetness of carbonated beverages or other flavored drinks can be enticing, but is it wise to replace them with water? While many of these beverages plaster tall claims about them being healthy and hydrating, one cannot overlook the benefits of plain simple water. There is a great difference between drinking plain water and choosing other beverages. So, what happens to your body when you replace all other drinks with water? Find out more by watching this video. Water and nutrition. Getting enough water every day is important for your health. Drinking water can prevent dehydration, a condition that can cause unclear thinking, resulting in mood changes, cause your body to overheat, and lead to constipation and kidney stones. Your body needs more water when you are: number 1, in hot climates; number 2, more physically active; number 3, running a fever; number 4, having diarrhea or vomiting. Most of your fluid needs are met through the water and beverages you drink. You can get some fluids through the foods that you eat, especially foods with high water content such as many fruits and vegetables. What happens when you replace all your drinks with water? Number 1, lose weight at a faster rate. Drinking water or drinking warm water for weight loss is one of the most recommended methods. As a natural remedy that helps you lose weight, water has 0 calories, sugar, or fat, as opposed to drinks like sweetened beverages and alcoholic drinks that are full of calories. When you replace the intake of these sugary and fizzy drinks with water, you are helping boost your metabolism, which in turn ensures that you lose weight at a faster rate. Water is also a natural appetite suppressant, and various health studies have shown that drinking 2 glasses of water before meals can help dieters lose more weight. Drinking water to lose weight is a tried and tested technique. Plus, since dehydration makes you weak, fat, and sick, consuming enough water will help keep this adverse effect at bay. Number 2, flush out toxins from your body. Drinking too much soda or soft drinks can cause kidney damage. Since kidneys help eliminate toxins and waste from the body, its inability to perform the said function due to high sugar consumption can lead to the accumulation of metabolic waste, which can cause a lot of serious health problems. Water, on the other hand, is a natural lubricant that helps the kidneys to function well. By drinking enough water, your kidneys are able to perform at their maximum, helping you flush out toxins from the blood and urine through the bladder, thus helping you keep your body and system clean from the inside out. Number 3, improve your muscles' endurance and flexibility. When it comes to building and maintaining bones, calcium is one of the important minerals that is required. Consuming large amounts of carbonated drinks that contain dissolved carbon dioxide, can interfere with calcium absorption, resulting in weak bones and muscles. Thus, in order to prevent this, it is essential that you severely cut back on soft drinks and energy drinks that contain carbonation and replace these with water. The importance of water in our body can't be overemphasized. Not many may be aware of the fact that water constitutes a large part of our muscle composition. Water helps absorb and retain essential minerals, which in turn helps us maintain healthy and strong bones. As such, by keeping yourself well hydrated, you are able to not only improve your muscles' endurance, but you are also able to improve your flexibility, which will help you achieve peak performance in all that you do. Number 4, sharper ability to focus and concentrate. Apart from affecting your physical health, sugary fizzy drinks or carbonated drinks can also hurt your mental health. Overconsumption of these beverages can lead to dehydration and can trigger an imbalance in certain brain chemicals, resulting in issues like depression, poor memory, brain fatigue, and lack of mental clarity. By switching over to water, you are able to effectively combat the ill effects of these beverages. Also, by ensuring your body is well hydrated, you are making sure that your brain, which is made up of 80% of water, is able to access the required amount of oxygen which is needed in order for it to function at an optimal level. Water helps enhance your ability to focus better. It also helps increase concentration and memory power. Additionally, it reduces daytime fatigue and aids in preventing attention deficit disorders in both children and adults alike. Number 5, boost your metabolic rate. What is metabolism? In simple terms, metabolism refers to the rate at which your body is able to convert food into energy. Drinking large amounts of sweetened, caffeinated, and carbonated drinks leads to dehydration, which increases the risk of metabolic disorders resulting in weight gain, sugar cravings, lethargy, joint and muscle pains, etc. By replacing these drinks with water, you are able to hydrate your body, thus speeding up your metabolic rate, leading to a faster burning of calories. Plus, water helps regulate and manage blood sugar levels, keeping fatigue, lethargy, and sugar cravings at bay, which further promotes good health. Number 6. Get a glowing and healthier skin complexion. One of the major benefits of replacing your favorite soft drinks with plain water is bright and radiant skin. Aerated drinks are known to cause damage to skin cells and collagen bonds, resulting in premature aging, dullness, dryness, dark spots, wrinkles, and others. Thus, to nullify the effects of these harmful drinks and to detoxify your body, it is advisable that you drink sufficient water on a daily basis. This helps to flush out toxins and facilitates faster production of blood and muscle cells, providing you with a glowing and healthier skin complexion in a very short span of time. Before we continue, a like would be great. Number 7. Lower the risk of many diseases. It is a proven fact that when you eliminate high-fat and high-sugar foods from your diet, it ultimately leads to a healthier life. When you cut down on sugary drinks, which offer you no essential nutrients, vitamins, or minerals, and replace it with water, you are able to improve your overall general health. Water helps improve blood circulation, digestion, and aids in the greater absorption of essential nutrients, thus preventing muscular cramps, headaches, constipation, kidney stones, and other illnesses. In addition, water also helps reduce the risk of obesity in children, and it helps decrease the risk of cardiovascular diseases in adults. Number 8. Grow a healthy hair. Excessive consumption of alcohol and fizzy drinks can also lead to hair loss. Since carbonated drinks make it difficult to produce essential hormones which are needed for hair growth, it can result in stunted hair that is brittle and flaky. As such, if you want to have healthy hair, then moving to water is your best bet. Water helps to deeply nourish your hair roots. It also helps you to hydrate your scalp. Further, by drinking enough water, you will be able to get rid of dandruff and itchy scalp, thus promoting hair growth and ensuring that you have healthy and gleaming hair. Number 9. Stimulate your digestive system. Carbonated drinks primarily consist of dissolved carbon dioxide that can cause indigestion and flatulence. Similarly, soft drinks or soda are mostly acidic, and a high consumption of it can lead to pH imbalance, leading to a host of serious digestion problems, like bloating, stomach ulcers, diarrhea, gas, and stomach pain. Therefore, to steer clear of these issues and to achieve a healthy and an improved digestive system, switching over to drinking water is essential. Adequate intake of water on a day-to-day basis will help prevent stomach disorders and will improve bowel movements. Plus, it will help improve the balance of pH levels in your body and aid in preventing constipation. Number 10. Improve your blood circulation. Artificial sweeteners found in many sugary drinks and soda can cause some of the blood vessels to perform irregularly, leading to an array of health problems such as high blood pressure, increased heart rate, reduced blood flow to the brain and the digestive system, and other vital organs. As one of the most crucial elements of human life, water can help improve blood circulation in the body, thereby ensuring that your blood vessels are not impeded in any way. Hence, if you want your blood circulatory system to work efficiently, then you need to quit sodas and other sugary drinks as soon as possible and replace these with pure drinking water. When you replace all harmful drinks with water, you are able to improve your general health, skin, hair, and digestive system. Plus, it helps improve blood circulation, boosts metabolism, and aids in weight loss. Therefore, if you want to obtain these benefits of water, then a lifestyle change wherein you replace all sugary fizzy drinks with water is important. And by doing this, you will notice a visible change in your overall health. Did you know drinking water can do so much to your body? Share us your thoughts in the comments below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel. Here are 2 more videos you should check out. Both of them will definitely help you reach your goals.